Hello students, by now you got to know the risk and business made for each other. Every business has got some kind of risk element to it. What are the different types of risk? First is strategic. Strategic means planning. Every business survive and work towards achieving its goal by devising certain strategy or plan. Now, strategic risk arise when the strategies or business model fail, and it fail because of some reason that maybe the strategy which you have chosen or which you have made with the past business model, maybe right now it is not at all important in present, because past model, on the basis of past model you took some plan and which failed in present. That's why your strategies is wrong. So in your book, the nano car example is also a strategic risk. Now, next is financial risk. One of the most common type of risk. Finance is the most important thing for business. It may arise because of internal as well as external. Now students, internal factors can range from non-payment by clients. Clients must not have paid you, or poor financial planning. Maybe your planning is some wrong financial planning, okay? External factor may be the government regulation act or international regulation or exchange rate change that a business cannot help. It will definitely happen. It is from the external. The next is operational risk. Now there are so many avenues where this risk may come, like internal fraud. Maybe inside some fraud is there. Maybe externally somebody is doing some fraud with the company. Maybe the employees are not happy with the workplace or the safety of the workplace. Maybe client is making some problem. Maybe damage in the machinery, business disruption or system failures. So for this, the organizational problem or risk may happen. Now compliances. Compliances means, students, government and international rules and regulations are very important. For any kind of business to do well, you have to have following those rules and regulation. Now suppose you are following the rule, that means you are compliant to the rule, and if you are not following, that means non-compliance. So that is the risk, because if you don't follow the rule, maybe you should have to give some fine, maybe your reputation get damaged, maybe it lead to the prosecution. Prosecution means maybe you will put to the jail. There are so many people, like Sahara Industries owner Subrata Mukherjee, then your Kingfishers Vijay Mallya, they had to go behind the bar because of this problem. Next is competition and market risk. Now you can see loss of client or customer to other company, loss of employees. Maybe employees have gone to some other company, decrease in sale price or fluctuation in the price or market, increase in the vendor cost. Vendor means middleman. Oil or gasoline price increase, oil price increase, everything change. Fixed cost change. Fixed cost change means there are some cost which is fixed, which will never change. So now if suppose suddenly the fixed cost increases or decreases, there will definitely be a risk to that. Now environmental risks. Students, as you know, there are so many chemical, physical and biological change taking place nowadays. So you have to see the actual or potential threat of adverse effect on living organism. That means the living things are facing problem because of this emissions of smoke, waste, resource depletions. So you are facing the problem because of the environmental problem. Now you have to bear those liability of protection. You need to have some protective measure for that. That means you need to put some cost for that protection. But gap of coverage, how much you can protect, that is also a case. So now next is positive risk. Now students, as you understand, positive risk means this kind of risk creative outcome will come, because you are getting lot of project. So creative things will keep on increasing in your company, new opportunities, fresh ideas, because if you are getting so much of order, definitely you would love to increase the potential. Now for that, innovative things. Innovation means manager who are open to new ideas and are willing to take risk to make things better, gain respect of their team members, are more quickly promoted and develop reputation. So now if you suppose taking the risk because new things have been planned, definitely you have to pay the price maybe in the later part. risk. I would like to describe you the credit risk at a length because it is related to economics as well. What is credit? Credit means bank is giving you some loan, and for that you need to repay the bank with the interest. Now, if you suppose you take 1,000 rupees, that is your principal amount. On top of the principal amount, you need to give some interest. Now, at times it happened, the obligors means those who has taken the loan. So now the obligors taken that loan, but something happened and you could not repay them the 1,000 rupees. That means the principal amount. So in that case, there is a risk because you haven't taken them back, repay them with the interest, and maybe you could not manage to give them the principal amount also. In that case, bank may just take over your business. It happened with Sahara Airlines, Kingfisher Airlines. Thank you very much. This is a risk that bank may take some action, legal action against that organization. So that's the risk. Thank you.